it's overboard now. I want you to.
It's V Queens again. What are we doing? Today we are going to do another lit playlist video. But technically it's not really lit.
It's just like a shuffled
random
playlist.
Yeah, just the music that we listen to. Okay, the first song I'm finna play is Close Friends by Lil Baby.
We started off as close friends. Somehow you turned into my girlfriend. We used to tell each other everything. I even went and bought a diamond rings, matching earrings. But I ain't gonna lie, Mr. Old you heard. You reload you before I knew you. No, we be fucking before I screwed you.
Alright, the next song is X by Kiana.
His album that you gotta go check it out.
We went from 2 a.m. calls to zero communication. Yeah, we spent too long in heaven. Yeah, we felt the elevation. I don't wanna be your ex. We were too good to be friends.
Guys.
The next song I'm about to play is 772 Love by YNW Melly.
777.
You know I love it when I'm next to you. We found love and say no.
Alright, next song is Blue by Troy Sivan.
Blue
By Troy Sivan. Bitch, I can't do that. I know you lame. Don't do that to this song. Ouch. That look like some kind of bug. Look, I'm gonna pick you up. No.
Next song I'm playing is Meek Mill, Dangerous. You feel the vibe, it's contagious. Hey, look in your eyes, it's dangerous. I know you going through some changes. Ooh, we ain't perfect, but we damn close. Ooh,
Yeah.
like your bitch.
Okay, next song is ABC by PNB Rock. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P
QRS
T U V.
Better in the A, told her about me. I just wanna see, she just want the day. Miss me with the friends on. Ooh, better in the A, told her about me. I just wanna see, she just want the day. Miss me with the friends on.
You're bad.
The next song I'm finna play is Lil Baby, Never. I think it's Never Needed Help.
I can do bad on my own and good by myself. I never needed no help. I needed you niggas, you wasn't right there. If you need me, little nigga, I'm still gonna be here. I should be the I can do bad on my own. Running up, lights be fast.
The next song we have is Beautiful by Bazzi.
Beautiful, 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 beautiful angel. Way that Gucci look on you, amazing. Beautiful, 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 beautiful angel. Love your imperfections, every anger.
Okay, next song I'm finna play is Take It Easy by Burnout.
Okay.
Take it easy, take it slow.
Next song is Buff Baby by Toby Lou.
Buff baby, but I dance like a man. She a nice lady and she shaking her yams. Spent the whole summer trapping out the sedan. Marching with the bands cause I think that I can. I'm a lover, not a fighter, but I'll never let you flex on me. Broke my heart about a while ago, baby got the best of me. Same pants every day, like these were my only jeans. Every beat. Might chill my name to Kobe. Bitch, I'm Kobe Lou. Nice lady and she shaking her yams. Spend the whole summer trapping out the
That's it for our playlist. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, you know. Give our bell a